day, windy as usual. You can see I have the small entrance open here in the hive. We have a little bit of bee activity. It's been 8 days since I put the package in here, and 7 days since the queen's been released. And this is an 8-frame hive. It's got at least 2 frames of honey in it, so it's really a 6-frame hive. So my mission today is really 2 things. I'm going to put on the second deep. It's got a nice comb in it, and I'm going to check the sugar water. So no bees in the cover. Nice bees right there. And yes, they could use some sugar water. So we're going to refill the syrup and try not to drown them. So what I've made here is 1-to-1 sugar syrup. Just a little bit of essential oils in it. They actually took in a fair amount of sugar there, or syrup, so half a gallon. I was expecting a gallon in a week, but there's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of honey in there, honey already in the hive, so they've probably been busy. So I just make sure there's no dead bees in here. Same on this side. If I got a little too sugary, they'll recover. If they're dead, they'll throw them out of the hive. Okay, the feeder's full. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the cover back on it, and close it, and then we're going to pop it off and set it aside. And we could actually take the shim with it. So we're going to crack it right here. Oh, it's heavy with that syrup in there. Not too bad. Okay, pollen patty's good. They've eaten a little bit of it. I'm going to take this. They made some comb here I don't like. I'm going to take that off. So I'm not going to search for the queen. This box wasn't closed very well, but that's okay. So we're going to give them the second box. And actually I want to move that pollen patty up. I'm going to move it up here. I'm going to taking a frame of comb out of here, and I'm going to take a frame out of here. I'm going to take this frame. Just so they have some frame that they have had some time on. And then this is what I did last time. I forgot to close it up right. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put the pollen pad here in the middle. I woke them up there a little bit, but they're good. That's about it. I'm going to strap her up and move on to the next hive. Thanks, y'all. Before I finish, I'll zoom in on that bee activity there for you. Let's see if they're coming in or out. Looks like they like the hive. I'm going to say there's definitely a queen there, so no reason to hunt her down today. Have a good one.